Hi, in this video we're going to see what classes are. In class, we get to use the access specifiers that are the private, the public and the protector, where you get to enter the data, where you can hide it or display it to the global variables. So these variables takes place in the whole set of programs that get continued. In this program we are saying what a book obtains, entering a book number, a title of the book and the price, where we get to calculate the cost of the books how many ever we choose to get. So each member function contains like users input of what the book is, then displaying the data of the book, and then we get to calculate the number of books that need to be issued into the price of the book what we enter. In the main function we get to call the set of functions we have up there. So first we call the book. When I run it, see, enter the book number. Let me give 4542 title of the book. Oh my god. There, the title is going to be OMG, price 550. Let me say I'll take 2 books from there. So total cost of will be 1100, that is 550 plus 550 is 1100. The next program, let's see the report. Details in a report card, a grade sheet. That is, at the same time we get to enter the details like data in the variables separated in the private storage, where it does not need to show outside, but we get to read it from another, we get to access it from another point. In public, we are adding on the details of if the admission number is less than and the greater, so the 4-digit admission number has to be applied, then the name, the marks. We are taking 5 subjects here to calculate the average and get out the marks. So it displays each number, displays each subject of the marks, where we get the average out of the whole grade sheet. So we're calling in from the class name report with the object created as R1. With dot operator we are calling in the functions from one by one. Array, running it. Enter the name Jesse, 98, 76, 88, 90, 70. So the average of this person would be 86%. Calculation of all this divided by the number of subject with displaying data of what the person is. The next program is about an airplane, where it gets to calculate the distance and the fuel required, as we have done in the structure program. At the same time, here we are using access specifiers so that we get to define all the data types at one particular point. We don't need to like keep initiating it every time in a program where we need it, so we can just call it from the part where we already access to. So in public we have entered with a member function to user input, then to display, then defining the calculation for the fuel. If it's less than 1000 or greater than less than 1000, the particular value is to be returned. Now we are calling it in the main function as an airplane P1. Running it. Flight number 345, destination DXB, distance 1, 3, 4. So the value of the fuel would be this much because of the distance that is we need to calculate. That's the average we get to calculate. Thank you. That's all for class.